My name is Chris Advadi and today I am giving a speech on bacterial motility by hanging drop method. Introduction. Motility refers to the ability of an organism to move actively using energy. Most motile bacteria possesses structures such as flagella, pili or other motility mechanisms that allow them to move through lipid environments. The hanging drop method is one of the simplest and most effective ways of observing bacterial motility. Principle. The principle of the hanging drop method is based on the observation of bacterial movement in a liquid medium. When a bacterial culture is suspended in a drop of lipid, motile bacteria move in different directions. These movements can be observed under a microscope to determine if the bacteria are capable of motility and the type of motility they exhibit. The advantages of the hanging drop method: direct observation of live bacteria, no need for staining, which allows you to observe the bacteria in their natural state. Microscope slide, cover slip, inoculating loop, bacterial culture, distilled water, and microscope are the requirements for this practical. Procedure. Clean the microscope slide to remove any dust or grease. Place a small drop of bacterial culture at the center of the slide. If you are using slide culture, suspended the bacteria in distilled water or saline to create a liquid suspension. Gently place a cover slip over the drop of bacteria. Ensure that the cover slip is positioned carefully so it forms a hanging drop when viewed from the slide. You can do this by placing one's edge of the cover slip slightly above the drop and allowing it to fall, avoiding air bubbles. Invert the slide carefully so that the cover slip forms a hanging drop. Place the slide on the microscope stage with the hanging drop facing down toward the slide source. Begin with a low power objective to locate the drop. Switch to higher magnifications to observe the movement of bacteria in the drop. Watch for bacterial movement in various directions: flagellar motility, twitching, and gliding. Note when their motility is observed. Record the type of movement. Observe if the bacteria exhibit a directional movement, as in chemotaxis. After observation, discard the cover slip and bacterial culture in a safe manner. Clean the slide through white alcoholic or disinfectant. Motile bacteria will show continuous movement either in a straight line or a random pattern. Non-motile bacteria will not show any movement at all. Some bacteria may exhibit twitching, which is characteristic of bacteria with pili. Gliding motility may also be observed, which does not involve flagella but is still a form of movement across surface.